Taping up your foam there, Brad?
What?
Taping up your foam?
Taping up everything I own.
Oh, nice. I see it's red, so it matches your sled.
That's right.
Oh, right on.
We're all about the matchy-matchy around here.
Oh, yeah. Do you have some blue tuck tape in case I need to do my sled?
At home? So I'll have to start bringing it.
Oh, okay, thank you.
That helps.
The morning struggles.
I want it over here. Yes, I'm cleaning up your Velcro, you chatter.
We suck at what we do.
We're trying at least.
I'll grab this. Get your hands out of here, boy. Suck in.
Don't think.
Breathe in.
All right, dropping down into the meadow that we were in last video.
Nice.
Gonna see how she is today. Well, I was hoping no one had been in here, but
She's been hit.
pounded right out.
There's a little bit left on the sides, but
Yeah, that rock thing is over here. I want to try getting past it and see if we can. Oh, this is gonna be more difficult now. There's tracks around already. All right, boys. Well, we're finding a little bit of snow in here.
oh yeah.
Yeah. It is pretty tracked out though, I'm surprised. Usually it's not quite this tracked out in here, but we're finding little pockets here and there in the trees, so it's good fun. We're getting more snow as we speak. Okay, we got Chef Brad here.
Oh yeah.
Cooking with Brad. Sponsored by Lynx Snowmobiles. What's
Duct
on
tape.
what's the duct tape?
Sandwich.
Sandwich on the menu today. Gotta tuck it in there. Oh yeah.
Into the old panini press.
Yeah.
That should do the trick. It's a little more snug with that in there.
Oh yeah. There you go. Go shred some gnar. Back to the cabin.
That's right.
Have some lunch.
Enjoy some melted cheese.
And I accidentally just smoked a tree. Fortunately, it's just right here, so we'll just go grab it quick. Oh man, the snow is deep. Ah, here we are. Yeah, I just smoked into the tree right there. It's fine. See if we can get a few more shots here. Crazy how you get just below that layer of cloud just above me here. Super socked in up top. It was snowing really hard this morning, but get down a little lower and it's super nice views and you can see for miles and miles. Heading down a bit early here, got some evening plans tonight, but it was a really fun day nonetheless. I guess I'll wrap up the video. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching as always, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hopefully some more content coming soon here. Be getting out a little bit more often here in the next little while, so that would be good. But yeah, till the next one, take care, see you later, peace.